Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Bluetooth adapter installed or a USB dongle plugged in, and your Windows version. Once ready, open Settings Devices or use the Action Center quick tile to begin. Make your peripheral discoverable now, press its pairing button and keep it close. You do this because discovery is time-limited. Without it, the PC won't see the device. Once done, move immediately to add a new Bluetooth device so Windows can find and connect. You next handle drivers and pairing. Open Device Manager and expand Bluetooth to confirm the adapter appears. A yellow icon means a driver problem. If needed, right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, or download the vendor driver and install it. Once drivers are healthy, go to Settings, Add Bluetooth or Other Device, pick Bluetooth and select your peripheral. If Windows shows a PIN, confirm it on both devices. This sequence fixes most mid-process failures and ensures a stable connection. Finish by verifying the device is listed as connected in Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and then test its function. Play audio or type to confirm. Make the paired device the default in Sound or Devices settings when required. If pairing fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart the PC. If that doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall the adapter driver. This resolves most stubborn issues, because restarting clears temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.